morning, teachers and friends.
Today we're going to present our market house and our flood alarm.
That we made for the joint physics and mathematics project.
And now we're going to show you how does it work.
This is our house. We made it by PVC board because it is waterproof and also clean to look at. We use PVC board rather than other boards because we think it gave it a clean look, and it is also pretty cheap. But the minus is it's very hard to find, so we needed to gain some effort to find this PVC board. For this roof, we use PVC board and we also painted it with acrylic paint. We use Korean blue because it is quite clean and doesn't really show with items such as hot glue gun.
And also for this house, we made two types of windows. The normal one and also the corner windows. We make so many windows because it gives more natural light from the sunlight, and so it can help the house to get the natural lighting. And also inside of this house, there's a supporting walls that make us easier to make the second floor.
To line the windows, we use mica plastic, and for the base, we use triplac because it is very sturdy and pretty easy to find. And then we use this grass, which is very hard to make because we need to carefully line it with glue, and then put grass, and then push the grass in so it will keep being sturdy. This grass took about 30 until 45 minutes to make, which is pretty long. And in this wall, we use balsa woods to make because it is clean and very easy to find.
And to make this house, including the delivery cost, we spent about 250,000 until 300,000.
Hi guys, this is our project. Our project is flood alarm. We make this project to prevent from the highness of the flood.
Yes. Okay, so if the water reaches a certain level and reaches the sensor will interact and give signal to the circuit board to operate and make the alarm sound.
As you can see, this material is from metal. Metal is a good conductor to water and electricity, and it will give sign to the circuit board and make the speaker make a sound.
And we make the sensor from a 3.5mm cable from a headphones.
Now we are going to demonstrate how it works. So this alarm make a sound because the metal touch the water.
So thank you for listening to our group explain about the flood alarm and a miniature house. If you want to make the flood alarm at home, it's not very hard or complicated to make, and it's also a very good way to boost your creativity.
Besides that, you can also raise awareness about the flood that is happening in our city. And besides that, you can also save your important belongings or warn your family members and friends. So that's all. Thank you for listening and spending your time. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye.
Share.
Gracias. Arigato.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.